So I'm gonna show you my collections of our travel. Oh my gosh. The collection of our travels all over the place. Oh my goodness. Oh. We like to collect. I like to collect, guys. I like to collect magnets. See, I like to collect magnets when we go travel. I really like that. Because, you know, it reminds us of something. When we were in Hawaii, I had to get this. See? Oh. This is just half. Just for fun. Oh my gosh. Hello, my friend from Japan. Yahoo, yahoo. Guys, please support my premiere. Now. It's okay, I always forgot my premiere. Oh my gosh. It says it started my premiere. Oh my God, why there is an ad? Last chatter, 25 Gcash sa premiere ko. Last chatter, 25 Gcash sa premiere ko. If you like and share. If more than 5 people, If more than 5 people in my premiere, we have last chatter. Okay? Go, 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 go. Layasan nyo muna ang live ko. Punta muna kayo sa premiere ko. We need 5 or more people para i-on ko yung last chatter. Tiririt. Hey, si Lorna Magday Vlogs. Make a shout out. Hey, my friend from Japan. Let's go to the pin. That is my that is my premiere right now. Lorna Magday Sisit. Make a love shout out. Thank you. Oh. Only 4 people watching. Uy, nandun si Lady Panda Cakes. Lady Panda Cakes. Oh my God! We have 5 people watching. Oh my!